Are there any new technologies changing Viking archaeology research? Have you ever wondered how modern technology is reshaping our understanding of the Viking Age? Well, it turns out that several new tools and techniques are making a big impact on Viking archaeology research, especially in Scandinavia. These advancements are helping researchers uncover more about Viking life, trade, and craftsmanship than ever before. First up, digital reconstruction and preservation techniques are being used on important finds like Viking ships. For instance, the Geochemical ship in Norway is undergoing digital reconstruction from its degraded remains. Conservators are using polyethylene glycol treatment and freeze-drying to preserve fragile wooden parts like the keel. This allows for future exhibitions and studies, while digital models help us learn more about Viking shipbuilding traditions. Next, advanced maritime experimental archaeology is paired with modern navigation and sailing technology. Researchers have sailed reconstructed clinker boats, similar to Viking vessels, along historic routes. This has shown that Vikings traveled farther from land and navigated open waters more than we previously thought. This new understanding challenges earlier beliefs about Viking coastal travel and reveals a network of ports that were essential for trade and travel. Additionally, geochemical and biomolecular analyses are being applied to Viking artifacts. By studying whetstones and metal objects through petrographic and geochemical methods, researchers can trace their origins and trade connections across Scandinavia and beyond. This research highlights long-distance maritime connectivity and trade networks that date back to the early Viking Age, painting a clearer picture of cultural and economic interactions. Another exciting development is the use of satellite and remote sensing technologies to locate Viking settlements and activity areas. These methods allow archaeologists to identify sites with minimal disturbance. They can detect features like slag from ironworking, structural remains, and organic material that can be radiocarbon dated. This non-invasive approach is especially helpful in areas where excavation is difficult, confirming Viking presence in new locations. Lastly, understanding iron technology during the Viking Age is essential for archaeological interpretation. The ability to produce iron tools, weapons, nails, and rivets locally changed Scandinavian society. It improved agriculture, shipbuilding, and warfare. By studying iron production sites and techniques, researchers gain insights into Viking expansion and economic development. In practical terms, these technologies allow researchers to reconstruct and preserve fragile artifacts for study and public display. They help map and confirm Viking maritime routes and settlement patterns more accurately. They also trace trade and cultural connections through material analysis and locate new archaeological sites with minimal environmental impact. These advancements contribute to a more detailed and evidence-based understanding of the Viking Age from a Scandinavian perspective. So, as technology continues to evolve, so too does our knowledge of the fascinating world of the Vikings.